This video instruction guide demonstrates how to perform step-by-step merchant registration to mMore and mButter. mMore and mButter begins with registering for a member account separately. Registration is the process of identifying yourself and creating a username and password. It's free and you only need to do this one time. Before you start the registration process, please prepare the following documents to be uploaded. You will need to prepare the following: Business Registration Certificate (SSM), Identity Card, Company Name and Company Logo. Access the internet and go to www.mmorv2u.net. Merchants must register in mMore first. Press register for free located at the top right page. You will only need a verified email account to register. Create an account password. Input the CAPTCHA for security purpose. Read through the terms and conditions and tick this box to agree. Press Quick Register to submit. After successful registration, system will prompt you to fill in your personal details. You will need to upload your face photo, your name, gender, country, contact number, second contact number, and press Save. Then, press Buy Me Pay to register for a MePay account. Click Quick Apply, create a password, and click Apply. After successful registration, you will need to bind your MePay account with your mMore account. Input your MePay account and password, then press Bind to confirm. Next, click Apply for opening a shop. Read through the terms and conditions and click Agree to apply as merchant to proceed. First, select your country. Key in your phone number. Input your company name, business registration number, merchant's name, identity card number, mMore shop name. Choose either one of the two shop templates provided. Upload your shop logo. File size should not be more than 1 MB. Logo must be in JPEG or PNG format. Input the person in charge name, person in charge email address, person in charge contact number. Input your GST registration number if applicable. Input your registered company address. You will need to choose cash as your request payment method. Input your bank name, bank account name, bank account number, and bank address. Upload the business owner's identity card front and back, business registration certificate, and GST registration certificate if applicable. Click to confirm and agree with mMore Merchant Service Agreement. Click Submit to confirm merchant application process. Upon successful submission, your application will be in the pending list and will be checked by management. If merchants are rejected, they can click to expand and see the reasons. Approved merchants will obtain a merchant ID. Approved merchants will see I am seller option at left panel and can start to upload products. To register, as a merchant in mButter, you must be an approved merchant in mMore. Access the internet and go to www.mmorv2u.com. Press register for free located at the top left page. You will only need a verified email account to register. Create an account password. Input the CAPTCHA for security purpose. Read through the terms and conditions and tick this box to agree. Press register now to submit. Proceed with inputting your personal details. Upload your face photo, your full name, gender, country, contact number, second contact number. Then fill up your shipping address, your country, address, postcode, receiver's name, contact number, second contact number. Fill up the security questions with your answers. These questions will be asked when you attempt to reset your account password. Then, system will prompt you to bind your mCoin ID. Click bind and you will be directed to mCoin website. Log in into your mCoin account. Click the blue tick to confirm binding. To apply as merchant in mButter, click Apply as Merchant. Read through the terms and conditions and click Agree to apply as merchant to proceed. Fill in the blanks with your business details, country, contact number, email address, company name, business registration number, seller's name, identity card number, mButter shop name, merchant mCoin ID, shop template, upload your shop logo, persons in charge name, persons in charge email address, person in charge contact number, GST registration number if applicable, company address, upload the business owner's identity card front and back, business registration certificate, and GST registration certificate if applicable. You may choose cash as your request payment method. Input your bank name, your bank account name, your bank account number, and your bank address. Input your introducer's name, introducer's ID, and introducer's contact number. Click Submit Application. Go to the bottom page of www.mmorv2u.com. Click mButter Merchant Form to download additional marketing fee form and product list form. Fill up the following forms and send to reg.merchant168@gmail.com and wait for us to check your application.